Hi guys, my name is Saima Qureshi. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, this is my Instagram page where I created a fun poll asking which shoes you like the most. The first one is a Converse shoes and the second one is a pair of fashion sneakers. I also added a little note in the post that says scan this QR in Meesho to shop both or DM me for links. You will notice that there is a QR code in the image as well. Now, if you want to shop these products directly, here's what you need to do. First, take a screenshot of the QR code from my post and save it on your phone. Then, open the Meesho app on the home screen. You'll find an option called Search by Image. Tap on that and upload the screenshot of the QR code. Once you do that, Meesho will automatically show you all the products linked to that QR code. It's that simple. This feature makes shopping super convenient. Instead of clicking multiple links, you get everything in one place. Especially useful when you like a full outfit or combo. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching.